Back in Vietnam, traveling on a little vacay with my parents, and we are currently in the city of Dalat, which is about a 9-hour tour bus ride. Yes, 9-hour tour bus ride, which I took yesterday to come here from the main city, Ho Chi Minh, where I first initially landed. Okay, now we are inside. I'm gonna show you this little flower display they have. It took about like 15-minute drive. I don't know if they have this all the time or it's just specifically for the Tet season right now, but yeah, it looks really pretty so far. Flowers, and then I guess the whole place is just a display of the flowers. Lavender fields behind me, matching my very Hawaii sun floral dress. This place is so windy and nice right now because it is super sunny and kind of hot here. Oh my gosh, so cute. We were just heading for the exit and then this is what we saw. Holy shit, this is my favorite fucking flower in the whole universe. Baby blue hydrangea. Are you serious? I'm falling over my grave, guys. Look at how fucking pretty this garden of baby blue hydrangea is. Oh my goodness, I am dying. It's the cutest thing! Oh my goodness! I am dying. Oh my god, look at the cute little ears. Are there more puppies. Is this like a little dog cafe up in the mountains that I don't know about? Because this is so freaking adorable. Oh my god, this is like the craziest view cafe. Look. Oh my god. Like this doesn't do it justice how beautiful this view is. This camera. Little flower cafe garden. It is adorable. Husky over there. It's like a little jungle cafe, and then another view of the mountain right here. Oh my goodness, I am screaming in excitement. This is amazing. Oh, Dalat is a city around 9 to 10 hour drive from Ho Chi Minh, which is the main city, and it's mostly just mountains, mostly just mountain views and no ocean, no beach or anything. So the weather is actually a lot colder and more windy than Saigon. Especially now, it's actually not as bad, but when I used to go, it used to be very cold to the point where I have to, like, there was smoke coming out when I talk. But this time around, it's actually a really nice weather, very nice, cool, chill wind. Alright, now we are heading downstairs to more view. It's so pretty here. It doesn't remind me of Hawaii, but it does remind me of Hawaii in some way. It's a very strange feeling, but okay. This place has become the craziest place I've ever seen in Vietnam. I don't think I've been in Vietnam at any place where it's as scenic and beautiful as this one. Like, literally, like, look at this. Is like a little cafe they have, a little cafe restaurant they have, and then all the chairs, all the tables are like right by the fucking mountain view where you can see a panorama. What the fuck is this dune buggy bike doing here? Driving right into the infinity pool. I don't know if this infinity pool is meant to be here, or is it just made so that they want to look like they built a resort. But oh my goodness, this is stunning. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. I am sweating my ass off right now. It is so hot and sunny and my skin is burning off. We are heading back towards that cafe a little bit earlier just for some shade, and then we'll just go to the next touristy spot, okay? Because we are not, I mean, there's more stuff to do way down there, at least all the way down where you have more like swings and stuff that you could take photos, but I just really don't have time. So now we are in the next touristy spot that our tour guide slash driver dropped us off. It's called the Forest of Flowers, and he had to actually drove all the way up the hill, the mountain, and then down, and then to get here, because look at this crazy mountainous view. It's pretty hilly up here. Yeah, for like photos, very beautiful with the mountain view. And then there's like more up here, a little cafe area. They really like the cafes here. This place is so pretty, you guys. The only thing is that it's really sunny right now. So even if I take photos, it doesn't look great in the lighting. Kind of want to wait for it to grow a little bit less sunny, but you see that that tunnel right there is so fucking pretty. I'll show you around a little bit more. This place is kind of like a giant flower field. Yeah. So now we are on our next stop, which which is, it's called Crazy House on Google, which I don't know why it's called Crazy House, because in Vietnamese it's called something something castle. It's like a man cave in a way. It's like rainforest cafe. So we'll see what it looks like inside. Alright, we got our ticket. We're walking up the steps here. Very beautiful. Sunny place right here. Awesome. We have this map. What is going on here? I'm officially terrified. My legs are so stiff. They are just shaking internally because I mean it's not even that high, but I'm just like, I fucking hate heights, and like these stairs look tiny as fuck, so I don't know how safe it is, but I think I'm gonna be heading down. Guys, I lied. I didn't go down because that's just a coward thing to do, so we are gonna keep going up no matter how terrified of heights we are, okay? I feel like the higher I am, yeah, oh my god, I do not want to look down. This is like a hike, but like idea where I'm going. Very Alice in Wonderland, very Harry Potter vibes here. All I know is that my legs are like fucking shaking right now. I'm terrified of heights. It's leading into more staircase that leads to up into even higher grounds, and I'm very hesitant to walk on any further. We're almost to the top. Do not give up, no matter how terrified you are. Oh my god, the view is gonna be crazy. Let me fucking show you the view of Dalat City all the way up here. Oh my god, that is stunning. It goes all the way up right here. Crazy place, and look what we just walked into. I am literally under the sea. Wow, this is definitely a very interesting place. I would say check it out if you are in dalat for more than 10 hours, because we're at datanla waterfall, you guys. Another beautiful scenic place in the middle of the forest, but let's see, we're getting our tickets and we are gonna head inside. All right, my loves, we are inside the waterfall amusement park area. Now we'll just walk around and look for waterfalls, I guess. I mean, this is a place where you could do zip lining and a bunch of other crazy, you know, high risk sports. but I am not a height enthusiast. Okay guys, so instead of zip lining, I've decided to cable car this shit. I mean, this is their version of a cable car, so it's just easier to get down to the waterfall instead of hiking down, because you know your girl's not about that life in my Prada shades. So this is what I'm doing now. I have no idea how this works, but this is the first time I've seen this contraption. Let's see how it works, okay? Guys, I can't believe I'm about to do this. It's just crazy as fuck. And I'm terrified of heights, but here we go. Yeah, come back. So seriously, that was the craziest, scariest thing I've done so far. Oh my god, it was so scary. I mean, you can control the speed, but at first I didn't know. I thought it was just only one speed, and it went so fast through all like the slopes and all the fucking hills. It was so scary. It's like being on a roller coaster. But I couldn't videotape because I was afraid I was like falling out of my fucking ass. But I'm at the fucking waterfall. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is stunning. It is so much prettier than the other waterfall I went to last time when I was in Dalat. Oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the awesome waterfall. Goes all the way to the top, which I'm gonna go to in just a second. Wow, look at this stunning waterfall, you guys. I am gagging. It is truly majestic and grand and beautiful and awesome and everything you could think of in a jungle with a beautiful view. I am literally like out of my mind crazy for this place. It is so fucking cool. Okay, let's go on the top. Oh Jesus, I feel the waterfall hitting my face already. The water and everything. Look at that, it's stunning. Oh my god, the water hitting me like rainwater right now. That's how strong and powerful this fall is. You see that mist in the air? That's like I'm bathing in that waterfall water. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. It is stunning. What is that, like some kind of ping pong cave? Oh, look at the view around it. Alrighty guys, this is Datanla waterfall in Dalat. It's about 20-minute drive from the city, from the main Dalat market, but it is a must-see tourist attraction spot. You cannot miss this. This is the most beautiful nature view you can get from Dalat, and honestly you cannot get this from Ho Chi Minh either. So look at this. So absolutely crazy stunning, crazy stunning, and look at the view around me. Absolutely just nuts. beautiful sunset view of Dalat Center, Dalat Market, which is right where we were, right inside here. Yep, very, very pretty still with all the flower stalls. And our hotel is just right behind that leaning pine tree or whatever tree that is. My hotel's like right behind that, so it's a pretty close walking distance. But the night market is just about to get crazy. I am trying the Dalcona coffee they have here. It's called salted coffee, so let's see what it tastes like. This is my first time trying it. It's like an egg. Wow, that is a very strong coffee right there.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you
Quebru.